is on.
It's on, so we're gonna edit all this. Okay, how are we supposed to do it? We can put this as bloopers.
Different ones like they do until they find the right one. You don't do it without me.
Oh, you did without me?
No, yeah, you stop.
Okay, we need to do it again. Okay. That's good enough. So. That's so weird.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Sam.
I'm Drea.
You're here to do a mukbang.
It's our very first video on YouTube.
Yes, indeed.
So, we went to Chik Fil A. We were gonna do Popeyes versus Chik Fil A, but all the Popeyes out here in our area, they ain't got nothing.
They ain't got nothing.
So we decided to just go with Chik Fil A. We had to drive 30 minutes out the way. So, and it's the first time trying it.
Yeah, let's open it up.
What are you doing?
See what they got.
What are you doing?
They look kind of good. Look kind of good. Little chicken sandwich. They ain't like popping like Popeye's supposed to be, but you know.
No.
Let's see what's good with it. I like that little foil package that they got. Keep everything nice and warm.
Mm-hmm.
That's a plus.
The
First time
nice
ever having this. Chick-fil-A never had a day in my life. You ever had a day in your life?
No.
Never had a day in our life?
We just said that.
Oh, we said that? We gonna say it again. They gotta make sure they understand. We ain't never had this before. You know? We gotta put sauce on it. I thought it came with sauce.
Well, I'm gonna try it without the sauce, and then I'm like, if I don't like it or whatever, I'm gonna just put some Chick-fil-A sauce on it.
I heard that Chick-fil-A sauce supposed to be off the hook. We about to find out if I can get it open.
You can get it open?
No, I can't get it open. Let's do it. There we go. Now, this one don't want to cooperate me. Look at that. Okay.
How did I open mine?
I don't know, because you got the good stuff. Was it like a honey mustard?
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going in for the first bite.
That first bite. What you saying? Okay. This sauce? Yeah.
This sandwich is hecka good.
If you hear anything like a little whining like that, that's the baby.
Yeah, if you hear him, don't mind him.
Say hey to our baby. Let me try
What
this
did you
thing.
just say?
I said say hey to our baby.
Oh.
I'm about to bite this thing.
Oh, it got a nice little spice to it. I'm just now feeling it.
It's spicy. Let me try this thing.
It's good. But I'm gonna put some sauce on it because I always like my sandwiches with sauce. It really doesn't need it, but that's how I am.
This is pretty good with no sauce on there, I gotta admit.
Oh, we got extra pickles too because we love pickles.
Yes, sir. Let's see if we can get this thing nice and saucy. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my god.
There might be too much sauce.
Oh my god.
Not too much sauce.
This thing is so good with the sauce. Oh my gosh.
don't know about that Popeyes.
Yeah. Oh no, we love Popeyes too. I don't know.
Everybody out of it. That's the one thing I hate when we pull up to Popeyes and they got that big old sign outside. Sorry, we ain't got no more chicken sandwiches. Coming soon. No date, no nothing. Tell me when so I can show up. I'm trying to pull up.
Never they done.
We also got some chicken nuggets here. We're gonna try that chicken nuggets and see what the nuggets is hitting about. But
So I'm gonna go with the nuggets too.
They got a little kick to it, little sizzle your throat a little bit. I wonder if they got different sauce besides Chik Fil A sauce.
You guys, if you see me like, it's because I don't take spice very well, but it's good. It's good. I'll handle this because it's real good.
Let's go. I gotta admit. Not too bad.
These chicken nuggets are real good.
I like their lemonade
I'm gonna
too.
try it fried.
Their lemonade good. You like their lemonade?
Hold on, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna dip my fry.
What's up when you want a snack? Like, it's that good, like.
The fries are okay. Need a little salt.
They like the Popeyes fries.
Or those Popeye fries.
Hit.
Yeah, but I don't know. These are kind of dry.
Yeah, they'll do though. I ain't playing too much. Since we had to go 30 minutes out the way.
We both got lemonade. So. It's a no for me. I'm gonna need some water in that or something because that thing is strong. It is so strong.
Try mine. Let me try yours.
It's too tart.
Yep, that tastes good just like mine. Yep.
I had to put some water in that.
That tastes pretty good.
I got something stuck in my tooth.
I think because it tastes more lemony. You know, say like Popeyes, they got that Minute Maid, I think, that lemonade or something like that. So it's
Country
a little bit
time.
different. Yeah, country time. Yeah, I would definitely get this again.
The only downside is that we have to drive like 30 minutes out the way just to get to it because we really don't have a lot of choices in our city.
I like my choice. Yeah.
You need to get your life together. But anyways, you guys, we're gonna be doing more videos like pranks, more mukbangs, what is it called? Vlogs. Mukbang. I don't know. Everyone says it's different.
Y'all let us know what's the real word.
What are we gonna do? Hear them in the comments?
Read the comment. Cause
everybody spells it the same. We can't read. We can't hear them say it.
Oh, but we still gonna read it the same way.
Exactly. But anyways, you guys. So if you would like to see more of us and pranks and I'll be doing some like food recipes. I'll be cooking and stuff because I love to cook
and I love to eat.
Yeah. But subscribe to our channel.
Like, comment.
Hit your notification bell. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video when we upload. And I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you do want to see some pranks, why don't you comment down below and let us know what kind of pranks you would like to see.
Yeah.
We'll leave our Instagram and our Snapchat in the description below. So yeah, but if you do subscribe, we would really appreciate it.
Most definitely. If you trying to get there.
I'm going back. I'm going back to the sandwich. Excuse me, guys. I'm getting over a cold.
It ain't too hot for you, is it? Yeah,
It's spicy, but
they said that
I eat it.
that Popeyes was supposed to be much thicker. So.
Oh, the chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Some people say it was much more spicier, but it's alright. But you gotta have with them extra pickles on that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like this lemonade. I don't know what she talking about. Chik Fil A lemonade. That rhyme, didn't it? Chik Fil A lemonade.
I need a Red Bull.
Oh, you can hear my flow? Chik Fil A lemonade. That rhyme. Huh. Chik Fil A lemonade. Right? On my way. I'm on my way.
No. On your way where?
To eat nuggets.
This sauce is so good. Oh my god.
It kind of tastes like something I've had though. Like something in here that's whatever's mixed in here. I don't know what. I can't put my finger on it.
It kind of has like a Thousand Island, but like a barbecue, but like kind of like
mustard.
a bacon taste. I don't know. I'm tasting a whole bunch of stuff in
Bacon? You
here.
tasting bacon?
Yes, I am.
Hold on, let me see if I can get some bacon taste.
Or barbecue, something smoky,
Oh, that's probably why it's
like a smoky taste.
Did they put liquid smoke in it? They might. You know what?
They might. You know what? The ingredients right here.
Well, a lot of ingredients.
It is.
That is
Oh
a
my
lot
God.
of ingredients.
Well, I'm
Good
done
Lord.
reading that. I'll tell you.
I'm going down to the bottom. Contains
Sugar and water.
eggs. Y'all can't see that, but it's a lot. That whole thing is like all words. I know you guys can't see it, but you can just see the whole package right there. Right there. That's a lot. Oh, I got mustard. And a bunch of stuff I've never seen. But a lot of egg. Got egg yolk, egg. I guess. It's doing the trick though, I gotta say that.
He just chucked his bottle. Like,
You just threw his bottle. Pissed off. He's like, I ain't want the bottle. Lock up, or baby wanna be in the mukbang.
I don't know why I keep drinking it.
Cause
I'm about
it's
to put
good.
some water in it.
Cause it's good.
It's not.
Cause I would have that cup right here if you say you didn't like it. You would give it up. You know? Well, yeah, though, we trying to get there,
Yes,
though.
that is so much better.
Let them try it.
That is so much better.
Tastes like water lemonade. That's what it tastes like. Missed that. Abort. I mean, our baby.
This little baby EJ.
He wanted to join the mukbang.
Say
You want to join the
hi.
mukbang?
Say hi, everyone.
You want to join the mukbang? What?
Say subscribe.
Say subscribe to our channel right now. Right now.
Shut up.
He ain't paying attention to none of that. He's like, man, let me get my hands on one of them nuggets over there what y'all got. Give him none of that.
He can, as long like you could let him suck on whatever you're having.
Mm-hmm.
Look,
good, boy.
Buggy.
It's good, boy.
But look. He got it.
He don't want that. He want that burger. He want the whole sandwich. He said, "Don't give me a piece of fry."
Oh yeah, you guys. If you don't see me eat anymore, it's because I never finish my food. Ever.
So that means more for me.
No, it just means I'm going to eat it later.
Later?
Don't touch my stuff.
That's good though.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was like,
It is. Now I can see why people are like, they go crazy for Chik Fil A.
mm-hmm.
It was really good.
Not bad at all.
Like, it was definitely worth the drive. So we got 2 spicy chicken sandwiches, 2 orders of 8-piece nuggets, 2 fried, 2 drink, and it came out to $26.
And then long ass line.
It was a hell of a long line. Like, it wasn't even moving. I would say we were in line for a good, like, almost 15 minutes. It took forever.
It don't seem that long when you say that. I thought it was longer. I thought it was like 40 minutes in that line.
It definitely wasn't 40 minutes. It felt like 40 minutes, but no. It wasn't 40 minutes. He over-exaggerates with everything.
I was about to fall asleep right there. Sir, your order. Sir. Alright. Will I get again? Huh. Right?
It's worth the drive.
Yeah. I would get it again. Is that all they carry there? It's just chicken? Chicken everything chicken? Do they have burgers?
It's Chick-fil-A, not Burger Filet.
What that mean? What do that mean?
They don't have burgers.
That's like Taco Bell got fries.
What?
Like Taco Bell has fries. They weren't supposed to have fries.
But it's just fries.
What I mean?
They have potato. So why wouldn't they have fries? It's the same thing.
Man, I don't know. Like I said, they might. You never know.
Y'all, he's crazy. He got issues.
We didn't really look at the menu too well.
What? Now people gonna talk mess to you in the comments.
Hey, I've never been there, so I don't know really what they
Like
got.
this dumb ass.
So many people trying to come out with so many different things that they weren't supposed to, so why not?
No, they just did it just to try it.
It's like Burger King got tacos.
You dropped the fry.
Burger King got tacos. They ain't nothing. They nasty. Huh. Nasty tacos.
They are nasty. Like,
So that's why I asked if they maybe
they're
got burgers. I don't
hella
know.
nasty. They don't have burgers, okay?
Yeah, they should.
Why?
I don't know.
Making a mess.
I'm making my mess downtown. Walking down.
Shut up.
Get on down and I'm driving down.
That's
I don't know that song.
not even the words. Shut up. I put water in here. Oh my gosh.
Tastes like
It is so much better.
That's not. Yeah, I'm dropping everything. That was messy, man. It was your fault. No?